Hey, quick pause for a second. If you're the kind of person who notices when sound just isn't hitting right anymore, you're going to get this. WiiM Amp. This is for you if you've outgrown the phase of good enough audio. You're someone who pays attention. You don't just play music, you live with it, work with it, unwind with it. And lately, you've felt that quiet frustration every time your setup almost delivers, but not quite. Before anything else, check the current price and availability. This is one of those pieces that doesn't always sit in stock for long, and the price can move when demand spikes. You probably had that moment already. Maybe it was when you turned the volume up and the sound flattened. Or when switching between apps felt clunky. Or when your TV audio never quite matched the picture. That's when you realized, it's time to stop stacking compromises. Once you move past weaker gear and live with this, there's this immediate sense of relief. Everything just works. You don't fight your system anymore. You trust it. You feel confident hitting play, knowing what comes next is clean, controlled, and full. Picture this in your day-to-day. Late-night binge-watching where dialogue finally sounds natural, not buried. Background music during work that stays clear without being distracting. Weekend listening sessions where tracks flow room to room without a single hiccup. Even casual gaming feels tighter, more responsive, more immersive. It's not about specs on paper. It's about how the sound feels composed, grounded, and intentional. Once you experience this level of control, going back feels impossible. Don't wait around for stock swings or strange price jumps. If you're already thinking about it, that's usually your answer. You might be wondering if something this compact can really replace a bigger, messier setup. That doubt disappears fast. What seems simple at first turns out to be refined, powerful, and surprisingly flexible. The unexpected bonus is how much mental space it frees up. Fewer boxes. Fewer cables. Less tweaking. More listening. You didn't realize how much friction you were tolerating until it was gone. You feel proud owning something built this thoughtfully. It feels deliberate. Like a system chosen, not settled for. Sound feels clean and confident, music flows without friction, daily use feels effortless, setup finally feels complete. You stop thinking about upgrades, you'll want good speakers to match it rewards careful placement. At some point, you stop comparing and choose the thing you already knew you wanted. Don't let this turn into one of those upgrades you keep delaying and regret later. Check the price, see if it's available, and trust that instinct telling you it's time.